Welcome back programmers in the third video of AIOC's Gadgets. With each passing year since its 2014 launch, the Apple Watch has continued to become more and more useful in the lives of the average person. Whether it's conventionally provide phone notification, tracking workout, monitoring vital signs or making calls without having a phone nearby at all, there is so much that this little wearable can do. The latest iteration, the Apple Watch Series 6, even comes with a very timely features that will let you monitor your blood oxygen levels. If you are suffering from COVID-19, monitoring SpO2 can be a key in determining when you should visit a doctor or a hospital to be treated. And if the last 7 years have been any indication, the Apple Watch will only grow to be more useful in the future. Apple Watch OS use the Watch OS 7. If you want to become the Apple Watch developer, just go on the developer.apple.com/watchOS and get ready for Watch OS 7. Develop even more powerful and personal app for Apple Watch with the new capability of Watch OS 7. Brand new APIs and tools like multiple compilation APIs, Swift UI completions and Xcode previews let you create a customized faces quickly and easily. And with the face sharing, people can share your complications via message, the web and more. Yes, it's contain the Xcode 12 plus Swift UI if you know the programming. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like this video, share this video with the programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.